60 seconds to make coffee. Have we got enough water? Yes, we've got enough water. Is the pod empty? If the pod's full, you'll have trouble. It won't eject the last cartridge. Ejecting the last cartridge, there you heard that click down. Here's the new cartridge. It fits into a hole, exactly the right shape. It kind of just drops in, don't think about it. Pull the lever back. It's clicked, hasn't resisted. Sometimes it just drops a bit funny. And you can see that that's flush. Okay. Put the cup in place. That's fine. Now at the top we've got two buttons. Small cup, longer cup. I always do the longer cup. I pressed it once and both are clicking. So in fact that's a possible good state because that will only pour when you finally decide. But actually I already know, so I click the cup I want. I can now sit back while the water heats. Here it comes. So the only tricky bit is dropping the cartridge in, but it goes into a cartridge shaped hole. Just drop it in, don't think about it. There you are, there's your coffee.